How to book a car with GetRentacar and save money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can rent a car with GetRentacar. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now before I begin, I just want to say that if you click the link in the description below, you'll easily save a bunch of money on renting and bookings. You'll find coupon codes and discount codes, and you can easily use the link to sign up as well. So let's get into it. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and continue and sign up. And once you've signed up, you should be good to go. Next, you just simply want to input your location, like pickup location, pickup date, and return date, right? We've got cars, motorcycles, and micro. You can pick whatever you want, and you should be good to go, all right? So we're going to select cars for now, and we can also find other options like cabriolets, off-road, sports, status, and pet friendly as well. A bunch of different options. So let's go ahead and pick up our location. So we want LAX, go with that one. Pickup date, we'll go with this one, and then over here is going to be the return date. Then we hit the search button, and now we got all the options. So this is our location, return, subscription if we have them. If not, we should be good to go. And here we have the promo code, so make sure you check the link in the description below to apply that promo code. Then just simply select the type of car you want and just simply hit the book button, right? Make sure you add your number as well. So I'm going to select sedan. That's fine. Everything looks good. Then hit the search button. Gotta input your phone number. Then hit the search button. They'll find a driver for you, and then you can go ahead and rent the car. So it's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.